Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can manually update a WordPress plugin via Cpanel manually. Let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Cpanel. I'm logged into mine already. Then also into your WordPress admin dashboard. As you can see over the plugins area, you can see one of my plugin needs a update. But I don't want to update it via the admin panel. I want to update it via what? Cpanel. So in your Cpanel, you come on here and under File Manager, go to File Manager. Then under File Manager, you go under the root folder in which your website is installed. Mine is installed on the public HTML. Come under WP Content. Come under Plugins. As you can see, these are the available plugins, which is the Akismet plugin, which needs an update. So what you need to do is to upload the updated file of that particular plugin, the zip file. Let me upload mine. I'm dragging and dropping. Okay, this is the updated version of this particular plugin. Okay, it has been successfully uploaded. Now let's go back to File Manager. Then you do what? Select that file which you just uploaded, click on the extract button and click on extract files. Once that's done, reload your website, reload the file manager, sorry, then go back to your website and reload. You see that it has been updated successfully. As you can see, that error is no longer there. It has been updated to the latest version, which is version 5.4e2. Okay, so that is how you can manually update a plugin in WordPress via your cPanel. Thank you and see you in the next video. Goodbye.